Good morning, kids. Appreciate what you have in life and always be grateful for it, children. That is what the lesson was. Acceptance through joy. That we be thankful for whatever we have in life. Right, children? Today I am going to tell you the other activities of the lesson. So let's start with words to know. Harbor, an area of water next to the coast. Yelled us to say something quickly. Dock, an enclosed area in a harbour for loading and unloading the ships. Delighted, feeling of great pleasure. Abide, goodbye. Now be mindful. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. As you inhale, think of the small things and big things that help you to simplify your life and its problem, and the difficulty you can face without them. As you exhale, thank God for giving all those things and promise yourself that you will always value them. Yes, children, close your eyes, think of the things that you have. You have got such a good family, such good parents, such good school, you have clothes to wear, food to eat, toys to play with, right? Be thankful for everything, children. There are many children outside who do not have proper food to eat or clothes to wear. So thank God for everything that you have and always be respectful to your parents, children. Okay, now we'll do question and answers. What did the couple see near the harbor? The couple saw a very nice ship near the harbor. What went wrong with the golden hairbrush and the jacket? So when what happened when the lady used the golden hairbrush, and when she started getting bored, it started getting vanished away. Even the jacket had a hole in it, that also went away, and the jacket started fading. What did the couple found odd in the house? The couple found that whatever things they have started liking, after few days they were getting bored of it, and all these things were losing their charm. What did Joy tell the couple before they left? Joy told the couple before they left is that you should appreciate what you have. Okay, stop looking for more options and better things. Rather than what you have, be happy in that. What did the couple get bored even after getting everything they wanted? So the couple got bored because see, what happens is when we have things in life and when we don't value them, we start getting bored. So the couple wanted a beautiful house, a golden brush, a nice jacket, but after some time they were getting bored of those things. So those things were getting disappeared. Acceptance and gratefulness are two great qualities necessary for a happy and healthy life. Do you think the couple had these two qualities? Give any reason one. So the couple had, however, they wanted to get something new. Acceptance is something, children, whatever you have in life, be happy with that. So the couple always wanted a big house and nice, beautiful decoration in the house. However, when they got the house, they started getting bored. And grateful, so whatever we have in life, we should be grateful for that. And then the couple started losing interest in the house, and then they said that let's go to our old house. Why was the couple delighted to stay? The couple was delighted to stay because they always wanted to stay in a big beautiful house. What did the house look like? The house was made of stones, and it had beautiful furniture and beautiful carpet, right? Now think and answer. Everyone in your class has bought a new laptop or a tablet. Getting influenced by them, you ask your parents to buy your laptop and refuse because you already have a PC in a good working condition. What will you do now? Yes, children, this you have to think and answer. That your friend has got a laptop and you also wanted a laptop, but your parents are saying that you already have a PC which is in a good and working condition. So now what would be your reaction? Write it down there. Tony and Tutu. Thank you, Tony, you are a gentle friend. Hey, what happened? Why are you so appreciating for today suddenly? You tried to calm me down even after I hurt you in my anger. We are friends, Tutu. I know you would have done the same for me too. See, now Tony angrily said something to Tutu, but Tutu is saying don't worry, it's okay, we are friends. And sometimes when one is angry, the other one should always calm that friend down. Friendship is all about love and respect, children, right? Now in subject connect, given below are the list of famous personality who accept what they have without any complaints and work for lives to serve others. Write down the achievement in space provided. I'll do one for you, rest three you need to do it yourself, children. We'll do Mother Teresa. So Mother Teresa was the founder of the Missionary of Charity. She was a Roman Catholic woman who dedicated all her life for poor and orphan kids, children. Right? She has her Saint Teresa in Calcutta. She has many orphanages, children, where she treated all people, disabled people, orphan children, gave them food and everything. So Mother Teresa was a saint. Same like we have Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, Nelson Mandela and Martin Luther King. So Google it, go on internet, check and write what they have achieved. Okay. Values for life. Acceptance is the key of happiness and satisfied life. Instead of regretting about things that you don't have, think about those things that you have. Feel eternal grateful for having them. Yes, children, don't always crib about things that you don't have. Always be happier for the things that you have in life. There are many people who don't have what you have. But then when you are satisfied with your life, you will always have peace and happy life. Be wise. Have you ever heard about this quote? Quotes are creative, one or two lines longer, sentence using the inspiration of motivating others. It is a great way of promoting a feeling of satisfaction among people to bring a difference in their life. Find out 5 quotes related to acceptance. Also try and make few of yourself and write it down. Yes, children. What are quotes? Quotes are one-liners or 2-3 liners which give motivation and inspiration to us, right? So Google and see the quotes on acceptance and write it down here. Now I have an activity for you, children. Acceptance is a great way to provide satisfaction and peace to body. It helps us to keep our body away from stress and we get the feeling of we stay away from jealous. Find out and write down 5 healthy benefits that acceptance provide us. Yes, children. Now think of the benefits when you start accepting things and the way you are, what benefits you have. So when you accept things and when you are grateful for your things, you have a peaceful mind and body. Okay, you gain confidence, you stay happy and calm. Okay, you treat people with love and care. Think about it and write it down in this area. Okay. Now gratitude jar. You will need a jar, paper, slips and a paper. Each day of the month write one thing that you were thankful for the day. For example, 12th September 2020. I am thankful to my friend that I am sure I am never alone when I am sad. My golden fish died today. My friend cheered my mood. At the end of the month, read all the slips that you have. So heartful written. This will help you to be thankful of little things every day. Make this jar, children, gratitude jar. Write a slip and put it. You can also do it on daily basis. Anything which happened to you in a day which you feel that you should be thankful for, write it down and put that slip in the jar. At the end of the month, read those slips and see small things make you feel so happy and gratitude. That is what the story is all about, children. We should always accept things as they are. We should appreciate what we have. We should always give love and happiness to others, because when we share love, when we share happiness, we get that same thing back. Okay, I will see you in the next class. Till that time, take care. Bye bye.